Welcome to my channel, your ultimate destination for mastering finance and business management. Whether you're looking to grow your wealth, build your business, or sharpen your skills, we've got you covered with practical tips, expert insights, and actionable strategies. Let's embark on the journey to success together. Make money in 2025. Top high-paying jobs for students. Are you ready? Introduction. Why students should start earning early. Building skills and financial independence. Explanation. Earning money as a student isn't just about paying bills. It's about gaining real-world experience, building valuable skills, and starting your financial journey early. In 2025, the job market offers incredible opportunities for students willing to think outside the box. Why it matters. Financial independence while studying. Gaining work experience to stand out after graduation, the key to success. Choose jobs that align with your interests and offer flexibility for your studies. Example, think about Emma, a college student who started freelancing as a graphic designer. By the time she graduated, she had both a strong portfolio and $25,000 in savings. High-paying job number 1. Freelance content creator. Turning creativity into income. Explanation. Freelance content creation, whether writing, graphic design, or video editing, is one of the most lucrative options for students in 2025. With platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, finding clients is easier than ever. What you can do: write blog posts, design social media graphics, or edit YouTube videos. Or for niche services like branding or animations. Why it pays well. High demand for quality content from businesses and creators. You can charge $20, $100 per hour depending on your expertise. Example, John, a college sophomore, earned $1,500 in 1 month by editing videos for YouTubers. It started as a side hustle and grew into a full-fledged business. High-paying job number 2. Online tutoring. Share your knowledge for big rewards. Explanation. Online tutoring is a great way for students to earn money while helping others. Platforms like Wisent and Chegg make it easy to connect with students needing help in math, science, or language skills. How to start. Identify subjects you excel in. Create a profile on tutoring platforms. Earnings potential. Tutors can earn $15, $50 per hour, depending on the subject and expertise. Example, Maria, a biology major, made $2,000 a month tutoring high school students online. Her flexible schedule allowed her to balance work and studies easily. High-paying job number 3. Social media manager. Helping businesses thrive online. Explanation. Businesses need help managing their social media accounts, and students familiar with platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter can step in to fill the gap. Responsibilities. Create and schedule posts. Engage with followers and track analytics. Why it pays well. Businesses pay $500, $1,500 per month for social media management, even for part-time help. Example, a student with a knack for social media earned $800 a month managing a local boutique's Instagram account. She eventually landed more clients through referrals. High-paying job number 4. Tech support specialist. Using tech skills for income. Explanation. If you're tech-savvy, offering remote tech support is a high-paying option. Students can assist with troubleshooting, software installations, or helping businesses manage their IT needs. How to get started. Promote your skills on platforms like Upwork or LinkedIn. Partner with local businesses needing tech help. Earnings potential. Remote tech support specialists earn $15, $40 per hour. Example, Tom earned $1,200 a month for setting up websites and troubleshooting tech issues for local small businesses. High-paying job number 5. E-commerce seller. Start your own online store. Explanation. Selling products on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or eBay can be highly profitable. Students can create handmade goods, sell digital products, or even start dropshipping businesses. How to start. Research trending products or niches. Set up an online store and start marketing. Earnings potential. Successful sellers can earn $500, $5,000 plus monthly. depending on the products and sales volume. Example, Sarah sold custom t-shirts on Etsy and earned $3,000 in her first month after promoting her designs on TikTok. High-paying job number 6. Digital marketing freelancer, helping businesses grow online. Explanation: digital marketing is an in-demand skill, and students can offer services like SEO, email marketing, and PPC pay-per-click ad management to small businesses and startups. How to start? Learn basic digital marketing skills through free resources like Google Digital Garage or HubSpot Academy. Offer your services on freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Earnings potential: beginners earn $15, $50 per hour, while experienced freelancers can charge up to $100 per hour. Example, James helped a local cafe boost their online presence through SEO and Google Ads, earning $2,000 in his first month. He later expanded his client base and doubled his income. High-paying job number 7. App tester or QA analyst. Get paid to test apps and websites. Explanation: tech companies need testers to ensure their apps and websites work flawlessly. Students can work as part-time QA quality assurance analysts or freelance testers. What you'll do: test apps and websites for usability, bugs, and functionality. Provide feedback to developers to improve user experience. Why it pays well. QA testers can earn $10, $30 per test, or $15, $50 per hour, depending on complexity. Example, Sophie tested mobile apps for usability and earned $1,500 in a month while balancing her studies. High-paying job number 8. Online course creator. Teach what you know, earn while you sleep. Explanation: if you excel in a subject or skill, creating an online course is a passive way to earn income. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare allow you to reach a global audience. How to start? Choose a topic you're skilled in, like coding, graphic design, or language learning. Record video lessons and upload them to a platform. Earnings potential: course creators can earn $500, $5,000 plus monthly, depending on enrollments. Example, Tom recorded a course on beginner coding during his summer break and made $10,000 in 6 months through Udemy. High-paying job number 9. Fitness or wellness coach. Helping people stay healthy. Explanation: if you're passionate about fitness or wellness, you can earn money by offering coaching services online or in person. How to start? Get certified through affordable fitness or wellness courses. Use social media to promote your services and build a client base. Why it's popular: high demand for personalized fitness and wellness plans. Coaches can charge $30, $100 per session or offer subscription plans. Example, Maria earned $3,000 in a month by offering fitness coaching packages and hosting virtual yoga classes. High-paying job number 10. Virtual assistant, providing remote support for businesses. Explanation: virtual assistants VAS help businesses with administrative tasks like scheduling, email management, and customer support. It's an excellent option for students looking for flexible remote work. Tasks you can do: manage calendars, answer emails, or handle social media. Provide customer support via chat or email. Earnings potential: VAs typically earn $15, $30 per hour, depending on their skills and experience. Example, Emily worked as a VA for a small startup and earned $1,800 in a month while studying part-time. Final thoughts: choosing the right job for you. Maximize your potential as a student. Explanation: the key to earning money as a student is to find a job that fits your skills, schedule, and long-term goals. Whether it's freelancing, tutoring, or starting your own business, the opportunities in 2025 are limitless. How to choose the best option: identify your strengths and passions. Research market demand and potential income. Final tips for success: start small and build your experience. Stay consistent and don't be afraid to learn new skills. Call to action: which job idea excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching SAP with Your Finance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest insights on finance and business management.